I know this guy. His name is Ken Carson. Ken Carson has a concert coming, and y'all know where I live at. I live in Alabama. You know, I don't fuck my cousin. So if anybody try to say it on the YouTube, you can go fuck yourself. November the 5th. And to be able to go to this concert, I had an idea. I told myself that I need a plus one to go to the concert with me. We have to get a female to pull up with me at the King concert, bro. And I'll be live doing that shit, streaming too. So that's what my goal is, bro. So we got Hinge and we have Tinder. All on my chat. Am I like, I always tell my homeboys, bro, I'm 5'3". Oh shoot. Am I 5'3", chat?
I think I'm 5'3".
Nigga said 5'2". Finally, we can get to the video part. Okay, I have a couple videos I got a couple pictures from my Instagram. Okay. I have a thirst trap. You know, I got a nigga with abs, you feel me? Women gonna like this shit. Nigga, as soon as they see the six-pack, nigga, they going. I ain't even gonna lie. Just someone that got a good smile. Someone that enjoys my company and willing to have a good time. That's all I can really ask for. Just someone that got a good smile. Someone that enjoys my company and willing to have a good time. That's all I can really ask for. Okay, we keeping that. Your photo of your face in your profile. Take your video selfie, you know. Bro, I just did it. Madison, she/her/hers. The way to win me over is being obsessed with me. I don't know about that, sweetheart. Manager at an office. Okay. I mean, her thing says play 2K with me. I'm not even that black. I don't even like 2K. Angela, go on a date? Shit. Oh shit. Oh, we gotta eat up. What you doing tomorrow? Oh shit, we got another eater, bruh. She got a boob pick. That's our first pick. We got somebody. Oh shit. Puerto Rico. Figuring. Oh shit. I fall for you if tattoos, tall, dark, handsome, everything big. Wait, no. Wait. Fuck. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Hold on. She said, I'll fall for you if tattoos, tall, dark, handsome, everything big. I said, shit, I'm everything you need. What's up? I don't think my list matters, but I'm gonna go like this. Okay. I'm gonna go like that. Fuck it. Oh, yes, I'm verified. Verified. Oh, shit. Who the fuck is Candice? She look AI generated. She don't look real. My best dad joke, why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. Bro, like, first round is on me if you can keep up. Y'all can get at me if y'all want to for saying that, but I think that shit might work. No! No! We don't fuck with those here. Might delete later. A boundary of mine. Hold on, let's listen to what she gotta say. Did she put Maroon 5 on?
Oh no, see you walking around like it's a funeral. Not so serious, girl, why those feet cold? We just getting started, don't you tiptoe, tiptoe. Waste time with a masterpiece, waste time with...
Oh my fucking god. Bro, they're not like, I go crazy for Burger King? You fatty. What the fuck? Ew. Where? Okay, Cassandra. Oh, she got destroyed lonely. Oh, bro. Oh my gosh. 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 I need someone to, okay, I need someone to my Asia to my destroying lonely. I don't think I'm gonna say that right, bro. Yo, appreciate the follow. How you doing, my boy? I'm trying to rizz up girls on Hinge, bro. You'll help me out. Do you know Destroying Lonely? Yo, of course. Okay, so this girl Cassandra, right? She has this, and it's her girlfriend. I mean, it's his girlfriend Asia. Cause I was about to say I need someone to my Asia to my Destroying Lonely, and then I have like a black heart. Fire. Okay. Let's see if that shit work. Bruh, I gotta get more. Like, Hinge is so annoying, bro. Cause it's like some girls on here just like, nah, I'm straight.
That shit that you pulled in the kitchen, I should have fucked you up. But I let you walk away, and I let you get yourself together. But bitch, I'm gonna let you know if you ever put that shit on me again, that'll be your last day standing. I promise you that. You gonna send a wipe your...
Like, she went on a rant over a movie line. Like, what is she talking about? Yeah, man, I would use Are You a School Bus? Cause I can feel you. I can feel you again. Not like, no, bruh. She got some big ass lips though. She said my greatest strength is having communication skills. No. Shit. All I ask is that don't waste my time. Shit. Spend your time with me then. I don't even gotta see what she look like to see what she fucking with. Who is this? I go crazy for scary movies. She a nerd. If loving this is wrong, I don't want to be right. Oreos with peanut butter. W. Bro, what's another line I can use, bro? You love Oreo with peanut butter. I can give you a peanut. No, that's crazy. But my main goal is to try to get someone to go on a date with me to the Ken Carson concert that's happening here in my state. So yeah, you with a peanut. I can give you a peanut. Should I do it like with laughing emoji so I don't sound so serious? Yeah, we'll do it like that. She believes in spiritual eye and shit. Quality time. Damn, but she thick as fuck. Quality time and gifts. Shit. Shit, come spend some time with me, shout. Hey. Shit, spend some time with me. What you doing tomorrow? Spend some time with you, nigga. Bitch, I am the gift. ain't gonna get nobody to fuck with me. We ain't gonna get nobody to fuck with me on this.
Say hello to my little friend.